Hello everyone. Every open frame portable generator hardware kit will come with 4 of the following: clamp knobs, molded ring pins, carriage bolts, rubber sleeves, telescoping rods, and clamp bodies. First, we will insert our telescoping rod into the clamp body. For this example, we will be using position 4. Use your molded ring pin to connect the telescoping rod and clamp body. To determine which position your telescoping rod is, please reference your installation manual. Next, we will take our carriage bolt and place it through the body of the clamp. Taking our knob, we will loosely thread it onto the carriage bolt. Lastly is the rubber sleeve, which should be left separate for the next step.